What family of fish do seahorses belong to? Gobiidae. How do seahorses swim through the water? Undulating bodies. What is the primary diet of seahorses? Plankton. What unique feature do male seahorses have in parenting? Give birth. Where are seahorses mainly found in the ocean? Coral reefs. Which sense is not well developed in seahorses? Smell. What is the scientific name for the common seahorse? Hippocampus erectus. How many known species of seahorses exist? Around 25 species. What is the primary threat to seahorse populations? Overfishing. Which body part of seahorses allows them to hold onto objects? Tail.